12 p.m. today. Tightening electrical connections right now. Got 10 of these systems up here on this roof. Checking the cut in, cut out, making sure the timers work. Tighten all the electrical connections. Tested the acid, the oil, compressor oil for acid. Got 2 of them that are acidic, but we're gonna change all 10 compressor oils today and tomorrow probably. I'm gonna change the liquid and suction filter cores. Got 2 systems that have 609S dryers on them, so I gotta bust the torches out to change those. Checking the oil safeties. Making sure the condenser fans are rotating in the right direction. Gotta be going inside in a while, checking superheat on the evaporators. Yeah, just kind of a easy day. Got a checklist to do, so I may, if I find anything interesting, I'll make another little video, add to it. Let me show you how I tighten up the electrical connections. I got a little torquing screwdriver. And I've got it set to 40 inch-pounds. Click. You can see the wires kind of corroding and they heat up when they're loose like that, so good little preventative thing to do. This little torque screwdriver I got on Amazon.com, I think. That was like 35 bucks. It's got a bunch of different tips with it. Find it, there it is. I'm using the flat. Most of these on here are flat. I'm not doing the mains. I'm not going to bring my Allen wrench up. Those are pretty tight. Somebody torqued those in regular install. While you're tightening electrical connections, go ahead and inspect your contactors. See that in there. Oh, they're getting pretty well worn out. Pretty much worn out. I think let's see them there. About 3 years old or so. These are the original contactors, never been changed. Yeah, they're pretty much shot. I'm going to recommend they change them out. I'm going to go ahead and inspect the condenser fan contactors too, but those don't tend to wear out as fast, nearly as fast. Yep, these are original condenser fan contactors. If you look at them, they're like almost new. That one, I think this side runs a little bit more than the other side. It's got a little more wear on it than the other side's like almost brand new. So those are good. That electrical installation is a mess. Some other contractor installed this stuff and some other electrician did all that nonsense right there. One of these days we're going to come over, we're going to clean that junk up. We just haven't had a chance. Right now it's working, but man, it's ugly. Just want you guys to know that ain't my work. We'll clean that stuff up. And they got a bunch of extra wires in there. I'm back on my PM. I'm gonna change oil, compressor oil, and change liquid and suction filters. I'm gonna do this one first. Gonna have to cut that filter out of there. Can't get this panel off. Disconnect right on there, of course. So I'm gonna have to cut the 1 1/8" line right there on both sides and weld it back in with a cut plate on the inlet and outlet. Get that chip filter changed out. Getting all my stuff up here. I got a nice little elevator out today. Forget about that ladder, hauling all that stuff up. Make it easier to get it out, I'm going to cut this right here, and when I put it back in, it's going to have a coupling on it. And then I'm going to de-weld trays, that one back there, pull it off, put it back in. Alright, got the suction and the liquid filters changed. Pulling the vacuum. Got the oil changed. On this compressor. And this oil is like getting like kind of dark yellow orange. Kind of weird. Why the heck does that oil change color like that? It's clear when it goes in, but sometimes some compressors have that dark yellow orange oil. Does it come off the windings, or where does that come from? Why does it turn yellow? POE oil. It's a 404A system. What is it, about a 25 horsepower? Yeah, 25. Medium temp, about 50 degrees in the cold storage room. Got tomatoes in there. Pallets and pallets of tomatoes. Anyhow, this one's got new oil, new filters. I had done an acid test on all these units. Only 2 of the compressors had acidic oil, but they want us to change all of them. They're about 2 years old. This unit had been one of the original installers had, I don't know, I guess they burned up the compressor somehow, so this one's got a replacement compressor. For some reason, I don't know why. When we took over, this one had been replaced. But I guess that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just draining the oil, changing filters. Be here all day. Got a cool front coming in today. It's in December the 6th here in South Texas. Yeah, it's about 70 degrees. I think it's supposed to get down to 50 tonight, but it'll be a nice day. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me. I can get these filters changed, all these vacuums. If it rains, I'm not opening up any systems, I don't think. It's my big mess. Anyhow, talk to you guys later.